Okay, students. Today lecture is about the factoring and polynomial, which is unit number two, and unit number two was about the factorization and polynomial. Please remember the polynomial. Please know about the polynomial. That what is a polynomial? Polynomial is basically an expression which contain two or more than two terms or the numbers. Okay. We also studied about the different types of polynomial, like we have studied the quadratic polynomial, the polynomial which have the power of 2. We have studied trinomial, the polynomial which contain three terms. Okay, there are like different categories of polynomial. Okay, there are different categories of polynomial on the basis of number of terms. There are different categories of polynomials on the basis of uh, highest power present in this in the polynomial. Okay, so basically polynomial is nothing which you may afraid from. Polynomial is a very friendly, is a very simple thing, is a very beautiful thing, because it is an expression. Okay, polynomial is just an expression which contain two or more than two terms, but it may contain one terms. What can one but one when will it contain the one term, you will call it mononomials. Mononomials is the opposite of polynomials. Poly means two or more than two. Okay, so if the polynomial contain two terms, it will call binomial. If the polynomial contain three terms, it will call trinomial. So and that's so on. It will contain the four terms, that you will call it the four term polynomial. There are special names just for two and three terms. There are not any special name for the fourth, fifth, or sixth, or any higher terms. Okay, like two for by, and um and try for 3. Okay, similarly quadratic polynomial is the power of 2, and the cubic polynomial has the power of 3. Okay, so these are the polynomial, and factorization is just solving the polynomial. Let me explain the factorization. Please remember also the factorization. Factorization is basically the representation of polynomial in the simpler form and solving the polynomial. Okay, factorization is the operations. Factorization is something which we done on the polynomial. Factorization is a process. Okay, basically factorization is the process. Okay, this is the basically the terminology. Okay, then remember these things. Okay, in today class we are going to little bit study deeply about the polynomials. We have to increase our knowledge. We have to let me write here. We have to increase our knowledge and go in deep with the uh, polynomials and operations. So multiplication is the operation which we can do on polynomials. Multiplication is a, oh sorry, let me write it carefully. Okay, uh, multiplication. Okay, multiplication is a process which we can do on the polynomial. So first of all, we will study about the multiplication of polynomials. Okay, multiplication of polynomials in real life, in our daily life, in our previous classes, we see that how can we multiply two numbers. The any numbers, basically any numbers in the world, any numbers, basically it is a mononomial. Any number, it is called the mononomial. So in the real world application, we can easily see that the 3 multiplied by 2 is what? Okay, 3 is mononomial. 3 is mononomial because it's only one term. Okay, it's a mononomial. 2 is also a mononomial. We in our previous classes, in our primary mathematics, we see in our daily life that we multiply these things. Okay, sorry for mononomial. Okay, in our daily life we multiply monomials and we got some numbers which is also the monomial. This is also the monomial. So basically we have seen about the monomials. Okay, like 5 multiplied by 4, what is the multiplication? It is 20. These are multiplication of monomial. So we know about the, let me write here, we know about the multiplication of about the multiplication of numbers. Multiplication of numbers. Okay, numbers are mononomials. So basically, please let me explain the triangle. The number and monomial is the same thing. The number and the monomial is the same thing basically. Okay. No, please don't be afraid of these names. Okay, don't be afraid from the English language. Okay, of numbers are monomial. Monomial. Okay, multiplication is, this is the other thing. Okay, so now what we have to do in this lecture. Okay, what we will do in this lecture. Okay, let me put here the line, a good line here. Okay, in this lecture, let me write, we will see about the, in this lecture we will see about the polynomial multiplication. Okay, polynomial multiplication of polynomials. Okay, how can we do that? Okay, please be active. Okay, okay, let me write here in this lecture. In this lecture, okay, in this lecture what we will do multiplication of, sorry, let me write here the full spelling of multiplication, because I think the some student will don't confuse about it. Multiplication of what? Of polynomials. Okay, not monomials, not numbers, but the multiplication of polynomials. Okay, multiplication of polynomials. Okay, we will deal these things. How can we multiply the a polynomial? We will now see. Okay, how will you multiply the polynomial? We will see just now. Okay, okay, new page and blue pen. Okay, now let me rate here the example for the how will you basically do that. Okay, let me take a polynomial. Okay, okay, now one student will tell me the polynomial. uh, Shiba Azad, please tell me any polynomial. I am writing here. Okay, polynomial number one, number A.
Okay, teacher. 2x
2x.
plus
mm,
8x power 2. No, no,
okay,
just
yes, no problem. Okay, let's go.
okay, and plus 9.
Okay, good. And Naid Akimi, please tell me any polynomial, okay? Because we have to multiply two polynomials with each other, okay? Naid Akimi,
Okay.
yes, please.
5x
Yes.
added
Mm.
10x
Yes.
the power of 3
Okay.
and plus 5.
Mm. That's why. Okay, good. So, dear student, please, Naid Akimi and Shiba Azad, one thing for you people, because very good, you tell me the polynomial, but please be aware of the sequence of polynomial, okay? Be aware of the sequence of polynomial. What is the sequence basically? In the sequence of polynomial, the higher power comes first. Like you will say that 8x square plus 2x plus 9, okay? You will say like that, okay? Similarly, Nahid, please be aware of the order of the representation of polynomial. How will you represent a polynomial? You will just write the power of higher terms in first order. Okay, like this: 10x cube, 10x cube plus 5 plus 5x plus 5x plus 5. Okay, you will do this like that. Okay, do you understand the point or not? And here basically x is also present here, but the x power is 0. Okay, and the one thing which is power is 0 is we don't consider it. Okay, so basically you have to write this in the proper form. Okay, this is basically the ascending order, oh sorry, descending order. Okay, this is the descending order. Okay, did you understand the point? Neither Kimi and Shiva Azad,
What, teacher?
did you understand the point that I explain about
Yes,
the?
of course, teacher.
Okay,
Thanks.
good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, teacher.
okay, now we will multiply that. We will multiply. How will we multiply that? Please, this is a very important point. We will multiply those things. Okay, now we will multiply. So for multiplication, just write the polynomial here. The polynomial, first polynomial is we have 2x, sorry, 8x. This is the correct, this is the form which is more beautiful form, this is the form is more beautiful. These are both are correct. This is correct, this is correct. Okay, no problem, but this is the very beautiful form: 8x square plus 2x plus 9. Okay, we have polynomial. Sim multiply it by just put the sign. Okay, just put the sign of multiplication and 10x cube plus 5x plus 5. This is the our polynomials, and we have to multiply it. This polynomial number one, just me that here for better understanding. So I will rub it. Okay, for you, this was just for your understanding. Now how will you basically multiply this? This is a very interesting thing, very important, and very important in mathematics, very important in our daily life, very important in the real world. Okay, very important in the space, very important in the vehicles, very important in the batteries in our homes, very important in the fans, very important in the light bulbs. Okay, in the world, in the real world, every each and every application, each and every instrument, each and every appliances, each and every technology have mathematics, and each and every mathematics has the algebra. Okay, no mathematics without algebra. Please remember one thing: mathematics always involves algebra. Okay, and algebra in mathematics is the father of sciences. Okay, and sciences are the father of technology. Okay, and you see the technology everywhere in your room, in your house, in your country, in your world. Okay, in the universe. Okay, so from the use of gas in your kitchen, from the use of gas in your kitchen to the satellite in the space, these are all the algebra. Okay, all the mathematics are involved, and these are just the multiplication of polynomials. We are doing the simple algebra. Okay, so how we will do that? How we'll do that? Okay, so this is the polynomial we have basically. Now 8x square plus 2x plus 9. Now multiply. So please, first of all, I will let me. This is a very important point. Write the is equal to sign here. This is the is equal to sign. Now, first of all, please, dear students, I want to show you one thing. Just forget these two terms. Okay, just forget these two terms. Okay, what you have 8x square. So just multiply the 8x square with these terms. Okay, I will also do some rough work here. Okay, for your understanding. First of all, what is the thing? 8x square multiplied by 10x cube. 8x square multiplied by 10x cube. First of all, in this multiplication, you will do the multiply the coefficients. Okay, multiply the coefficient. What will we get? We will get 80. Okay, and now write the x and sum the power. Okay, what is the summation of the power? It is 5. So write the 80x power 5. Okay, this is a very simple thing. Similarly, multiply this 8 with the 5x. So what will we get basically? 8 multiplied by 5 is what? 40, and the x square plus x will be x3. Similarly, this multiply this one with the 5. Now 5 multiplied by 8 is what? 40, and this x square is what? This x square will multiply with the this x0. Basically, this there is one in this. Every digit in mathematics you multiply with one, no problem. So you will get the x square. Okay, this is the thing we have. So dear student, please, this is a very critical situation now. You need to be an active. Okay. Now, just place the expression is also continued. Okay. I am just moving down here. Okay. This continued. And I will write the next term here in this down. Okay. Okay. How will you do the next term? Now, just place the what is there after the 8x square? In this paradigm, what is after the 8x square? 2x1. Just write the 2x, and now forgot the 8x square. Now forgot the 8x square and the another term which is 9 here. Okay, now forgot the 8x square and the 9. Just consider the 2x. So in the same process, the process is same for this. Multiply 2x with 10x, multiply 2x with 5x, multiply 2x with 5. Okay, now what we will get? We will get the 20x4 plus 10x square plus 10x. Okay, similarly, what thing is remaining at the end? We have the 9. Okay, 9. Now the process is again same. Please multiply the 9 with the all the terms present. Okay, what we will get? The we will get the 10x cube plus okay, sorry, 90x cube, basically 90x cube, and the 5 multiplied by 9 is what? 45x, and 9 multiplied by 5 is what? 45. Now this is the situation you get. This is the situation you got. Now what you have to do? I already told you. Please, dear students, please go towards the simplifications. Simplify the things in the mathematics. Okay, we love simplification. In mathematics, always try to do simplification. Always try to represent this, represent anything in the simplified form in the final form. This is the correct answer basically. This is the answer, okay? This is the answer, but it is not simplified. You have to do some little modification and some processes. Okay, how will do that? So please add the terms which have the same variables. Okay. This is the variable x5 is the variable. Please search for the terms which have x power 5. So there is no terms here which have x power 5. We will write this same as like that. Okay. Similarly, there is 40x cube. Just search for the terms. Just search for the term which have x cube here. Okay. So which term have the x cube? We will note that okay, this term have the x cube. So plus these terms, this term and this term, 40 plus 9 will be 130x cube. Okay, sorry, 130x cube. Okay, now put the plus sign here. Now again, 40x square, 40x square. These are the same. Okay, okay. Oh, sorry, we have to go with the we have to go with the descending order, okay, with the proper following pattern, okay, because it is a power 5. Now we will search for the power of 4. So this is the power of 4 and this will come after the 5 power of 5. Now this is a 5 over 3 will become power of 3 will now in action. And now power of 2 we will see up for the power of 2. X power of 2, x power of 2 is here. So please plus those things, okay. 50 x power of 2 will be here, okay. And now see for the x power 1, x power 1 is here, x power 1 is here. So please plus those things. This will be 55x, okay. And again x power 0 is here, or we don't have x one thing, same thing. So this is your finalized expression. This is your finalized polynomial which we have got by the multiplication of two polynomials. Okay, result, multiplication, result, multiplication. Now I will write the question for you people and you will just do this. Okay, multiplication, result. Okay, now please be attentive and I am writing the question for you. Okay, this is number 2 and I am writing that for you. Okay, please your student be attentive. Okay, 2x plus 9x 2x power 5 plus 9x4 multiplied by 8 into 2x plus 3. Okay, please please solve this question. Okay, quickly. Dear student, please. Oh, Najiba is here. Welcome, Najiba. Today Najiba come late and I think Najiba, can you solve this question or not? Okay. Uh,
Teacher, I couldn't hear you. Can you please tell me again?
okay, you cannot hear me, then I will write in the message section. Okay, I am asking about this
I
question.
hear you.
Okay, can you solve this question which is written on the board?
Teacher, my internet was not good and
Hmm.
I joined now.
Okay, no problem. Other student will solve this question and she will explain to you in Persian. Okay, you have
Okay,
to
no
just
problem.
multiply this question. Okay, so please student
Okay,
do the
thank you.
yes. Okay, please student do this question quickly. We have you have just 3 minutes. Okay, to solve this question. Shiba, Azad, Latifa, Ibrahimi, Nai, Dakimi, and Zala, please do this.
Which one, sir?
Which is written on the board.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yes, I am sharing the same, but again, mm, I think you have the problem.
Yes, sir. And
Mm,
I also don't know
okay.
what have we learned today because I was having some problem and I joined
Mm,
late. Sorry for that.
okay. So Zala, I shared the yesterday lecture in the group. Did you find that easily or not? Lecture number
Yes,
17.
sir. I find that. Yeah, I find that. Thank you so much for the
Okay.
sending.
اینطور با هم دیگه ضریبا اینا رو با هم دیگه جمع میکنیم و از توانهای از x به توان 5 یک میگیریم و می نویسیم و همچنان 216 x به توان 4. ما هیچ عددی نداریم که با هم دیگه مشابه باشه و او پس به حالت اولیه می نویسیم و جواب سوال ما این میشه. امیدوارم فهمیده باشین. teacher is done.
Okay, great. Okay, any students, if any student who did not understand the point, then please ask the question from me. Any student who did not understand this point, then please ask me. Okay, any student, you don't have any
No,
question?
teacher, it was easy, but can you show the question once again? I think I take the question wrong.
This is the question. Okay, let me write something clear.
Aha, it's 2x by the power of 5. I just took that too. Okay, no problem, teacher. Thank you.
Okay. So now we have another thing. I think this say the multiplication of polynomial is simple, and we have learned this. Okay, this is a very simple thing. Now please let me explain about the division of polynomials. Okay, division of polynomials. Okay, division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. Of polynomials. Polynomials. Okay, polynomials. So, dear students, basically, let me ask a question from Najiba. Najiba, can you hear my voice? Najiba Najib Zada. Okay, Hadia is also here. Hadia, can you hear my voice?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Hadia, please explain what is the difference between monomial and polynomial.
So, as you explained, that the monomial is just one term. For example, 2x or 3x square, it's called monomial because it has one term, and the polynomial, it has more than 2 and 3 terms.
Okay, very good,
It's
great.
called polynomial.
So, dear student, please listen carefully. In our daily life, in our previous classes, we know about the division of monomials. Okay, let me write here again. We know the division of. Okay, let me write the division of. We know the division of. What we know the division of monomials easily. We know the dimension of monomials. Basically, what are monomials? Monomials, okay. 2 is monomial, 3 is monomials, 5 is monomial. Every whole number is a monomial. Every real number is a monomial. Every integer is a monomial. Every natural number is a monomial. Every whole number is a monomial. Okay, no problem, no issue. It's a very easy thing. So we know about the division. How we know about the division? Because it's students, we know how to do this. Okay, let me explain the division of the monomial. First, we will talk about the division of the monomials. So, let me put the line here. Okay. Now, basically, what is the division of 6 divided by 3? We will got the 2. Similarly, 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. And 9 divided by 3 is what is 9 divided by 3 is 3. And similarly, 54 divided by 2, how will you do this? Basically, you have two options. Like, first of all, you will do like this: 2 divide this number by 2. Okay, 2 1 2 2s are 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. uh, and now 4 and 1 will be go that it will begin it will be become 14. And now 2 to 7 are 15. You will get the 27 here. Okay, 27 here. This is the simple division of the monomials. This let me write here the division of monomials. We know the division of these are basically the monomials we discuss. This is the monomials. Okay. Now, please, dear students, 54x divided by 4x. Now, Najiba, can you hear my voice or not? Najiba. Okay. Then Atifa. Atifa, please divide these mononomials. This is the mononomial. This is the mononomial. Okay, and divide these. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
and tell me the
So
answer.
please wait a second. Okay. Teacher, if we both divide this with 2, we will get 27 over 2. And we cannot divide them further.
We can divide it by 4.
Yes, we can, but it will give us a decimal number. Do you want
Yes,
that number?
yes, very good.
Okay.
Yes, it will give us the decimal number
Yeah.
and it will not the like complete division, okay, whole division. So you can just write the 27 by 2 and x will be cancelled out. So what will be the thing? This will be your answer, okay? Similarly, Shiba Azad, please do this and tell me the answer, okay? This is the mononomial and the uh, this is the mononomial. Both are the mononomials and these are dividing. Then please answer me the answer, Shiba Azad.
Okay, teacher. We can write 1 5. We can divide it by 5. 1 5, and the answer is 25x.
Yes, very good, great. Exactly, the answer will be 25 exact. So what is basically these things? These are just the division of mononomials. So we know how to divide the mononomials. One mononomials and the second mononomials. These are the this is basically conclusion of the thing. Now we will just see about the polynomials. Just I mean very let me take the next page. Okay, the page. Now we will see about the polynomials. Okay, XP, and this is the very little bit. So I will take the question from the book. Okay. Okay, the polynomial is the 10x square plus 10x square plus 6x. Okay, so let me write carefully. 10x square plus 6x divided by 2x. So this is basically the above is the polynomial. The above one is the polynomial, which is basically binomial, and the below one is the mononomial. So we have to divide these. Okay, so mononomials, mononomial. Okay, so how we will do that? Basically, this is a very simple thing. Again, solution are is equals to will be right, and how will you do that? Basically, you will just write simply 10x square and 2x for that again, and plus 6x 2x separately. For this you can do this mathematically. It is correct. Okay, mathematically it is correct. Mathematically it is correct to write separately 2x with this, to write separately 2x with this. Okay, it is very acceptable. Now how will basically, this is a very simple thing. Now okay, you know this. Now this is just monomial division. This does monomial division, and Shiba Azad did this first. Okay, we will 5x and this will be 3. This will be cancelled out and these will be cancelled out. The 2 will be cancelled out and 1 will be remain. This will be your answer. Okay, similar, this is the simple division of the polynomial. Let me write here the second question for you, and the you people will solve this question. Now let me write a little bit good question. 3x plus 18. Okay, 3x plus 18, 3x plus 18 divided by, okay, this is 18 plus x plus 6. Now dear Hadia, please please do this division. This is the polynomial. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
and the below is also the polynomial. This is the exact polynomial division. And now just simplify this and tell me. The question above was 3x plus 18 divided by 6 plus x plus 6. Now, please note very carefully what is the question. The above is the binomial, below is the binomial, but the above polynomial needs simplification. What we can do the above polynomial, we can take 3 common or not. We have studied this before, okay? And we will get the 3 plus 6. Is it clear to you or not? 3, I take the 3 common out there because 3 is also present there. I break the 18. 18 can be break like this, 6 cross 3. So 6 is common in both things. 6 is common here, 6 is common, 3 is common here, 3 is common here. 3 out and this x will be remaining and plus 6 will be remaining. Is it okay or not?
Yes, teacher, it's correct.
Okay, so and the below is x plus 6 also. So please, dear student, note one thing. This is a very important point again. So please figure out the same terms here. What is the same terms? In the denominator we have 6x plus 6. In the numerator we have x plus 6. These can be cancelled out. Okay, and you will get the 3 as a answer. This is a very important thing. Okay, this is your answer. Okay. So if you have any question, then please ask me, and I will assign the assignments to you people also. And please, if you have any question, then please ask to me, and you can also message me in the WhatsApp. I will explain any questions to you people. Okay, any questions from the division, any question from the multiplication of polynomials, then I will be happy to answer these questions. Okay. Now, Naida Kimi, did you clear with the point or not? How to divide the polynomials?
I got
Okay,
it.
okay, very good. Okay, so I think let me check some assignment question for assignment. Where is the assignment question? Okay. So, dear students, in the next class we will start the chapter number 6, and it will be okay. No, no, from my syllabus, uh, from my pattern, we will start the unit number 3 and equations. We will study about the equations and functions. Okay, these are very simple questions. I told you in the first day of the lectures. We will talk about the equations and the functions and the